Hello students, greetings from Firebird Institute of Research and Management. We are very happy to announce you that we are going to conduct a free national level webinar on April 30 at 7 p.m. based on MAT 2023. We are going to give you the last minute preparation strategy to score 550 plus in the upcoming May MAT 2023. If you want to enroll for this webinar, kindly enroll through the link provided in the description box. All the best students. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss the mathematical skills based question that was asked in the previous February MAT question paper. Already we have solved 15 questions and we have uploaded as part 1, part 2 and part 3 in our channel. And let us provide you the link for all the video in the description box. Kindly refer through the videos after watching this video completely. Now, so this is a question asked in the MAT question paper. Now see here, how many 5-digit even numbers can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? How many digits they have given? 6 digits they have given. Where repetition of digits is not allowed, right? So I need to form 5-digit number. Okay, 10,000, 1,000, hundreds, tens place and units place. And if my target is, it should be a 5-digit even number. If a number wants to be even, the unit digit should be an even digit, right? So the unit digit out of these 6 digits, the unit digit can be 2, 4, 6. And number of possibilities are what? 1, 2, 3. 3 possibilities are there to fill in the units place. So 3. Okay, I can write it as 3 possibilities. And out of 3 possibilities, I can fill any one only. So, okay, in the box, I'm writing the number of possibilities. And you should also note that repetition of digits is not allowed. So, in total, how many digits they have given? In total, they have given 6 digits. Among 6 digits, I have filled 1 digit in the units place. And remaining 5 digits will be there. Out of 5 digits, I'll fill any 1 in the tens place. And now, out of 6 digits, I have chosen 2 digits. And remaining 4 digits, so out of 4 digits, I can select any 1 in the hundreds place. And remaining, there are 3 digits. Out of 3 digits, I can select any 1 in the units, thousands place. And remaining, there are 2 digits. Out of 2 digits, I can select any 1 in the 10,000 place. So multiply all. 2 into 3, 6. 4 into 5, 20 into 3. So 6 into 20 is what? 120. And into 3. 120 into 3 is what? 360 is here. So the answer for the question is 360. Now, if the volume of a cube and a sphere are equal, then find the ratio of their surface area. And this is the question based on mensuration. Okay, see, volume of a cube. What is the formula for volume of a cube? It is nothing but a cube. And volume of a sphere, 4 by 3 pi r cube. They have told that volume of both the cube and sphere are equal. Let us take. See, volume of cube, a cube is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Right? I can write this as a cube by r cube is equal to, volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 r cube, okay, is equal to 4 by 3 pi. And next step, I can write it as a by r. A by r is equal to, okay, cubic root of 4 pi by 3. Okay, cubic root of 4 pi by 3. And in the next step, see, they are asking what is the ratio of their surface area. See, in case of surface area of a cube is 6a square. Okay. And surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. Okay. Now, I can write this as 6 by 4 pi into a by r the whole square. Okay, instead of a by r, I can write 6 by 4 pi cubic root of, that is 4 pi by 3 whole to the power square is there, but cubic root, in case of cubic root, you should write as by 3. Do you understand this? Now see here. See here in the denominator another 4 pi is there. 6 I can write it as 2 into 3 divided by 4 pi. Okay, so 4 pi to the power 2 by 3 by 3 by 3. Now I can rewrite this as 2 into 3 to the power 1 minus 2 by 3 because in the denominator the power of 3 is 2 by 3 into 4 pi to the power 2 by 3 minus 1. Okay, 4 pi to the power 2 by 3 minus 1. So 2 into 3 minus 2 is what? 1. 3 to the power 1 by 3. Okay, do you understand? Into 4 pi to the power minus 1. So I can write as 2 into 3 to the power 1 by 3, the whole divided by cubic root of 4 pi. Cubic root of 4 pi. Okay, now see here. Here, in this case, see, you should know exponents and power formula for this very thoroughly. So 2 into 3, 1 by 3 is there, keep as it is, and 4 to the power 1 by 3 is there, cubic root of 5. Okay, see, cubic root of 5, the only option is what? Which is in the denominator is option 2. With that, I can conclude, definitely I cannot cancel pi anyway, right? With this, I can conclude that the ratio is, the answer is option B. Okay, and see, you should know the basic formula. A power n into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. And a power m divided by a power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. And a power m to the whole power n is equal to a power m. Okay, you should know the basic formulas to solve the question. Okay, now let us move on to the next question. From station A and station B, two trains start moving towards each other. Let us take this as station A and station B. Okay, one train moves towards B with a speed of 160 km per hour. Another train moves towards A from B at the speed of 120 km per hour. When the two trains meet at a place, it is found that one train covers 60 km more than the other train. They are asking what is the distance between the station A and B. See, if I take the ratio of, I know that distance is equal to speed into time, and distance and speed are directly proportional. And speed, the ratio of two speed is 160 is to 120, it is nothing but 4 is to 3. If ratio is 4 is to 3, the total parts is 7. Only the multiples of 7 here is 420 km. So I will guess that 420 km can be my answer. If I want to cross check, you can also do in another way. See, let us take the distance between the two stations as 420 km. Okay, in 1 hour, train A will move 160 km. And in 1 hour, train B will move 120 km. That is, what is 420 minus 120? At the 300 km from A, train B will be there. And in the next half an hour, A will move. See, I know that A can move 160 km in 1 hour. In half an hour, it can move 80 km. So it will move another 240 km. It will come to 240 from the beginning. A will come here. And in the next half an hour, it will move another 60 km. And it is in the place of 300 km. 300 minus 60 is what? 200. So both will meet at 240 km from A. Both the train will meet at 240 km from A. From B, the distance is what? What is 420 minus 240? See, because the total distance is 420. Okay, minus 240. We get around 180. And the difference between the distance is what? 60 km. See, B have travelled only 180, but A has travelled 240. So, 60 km more the train A has travelled when compared to train B. So, 420 km is my answer. I can guess what it is. Okay. So, next question. A factory was sold at a loss of 12%. If the factory would have been sold for rupees 2,10,000 more. See, if loss is 12%, I can take it as, always you should take cost price percentage as 100. Okay, if loss is 12%, the selling price percentage will be cost price percentage minus Loss percentage. It is around 88%. Okay. Say I would have got 2,10,000 more than there would have been a profit of 18%. If profit is 18%, what do you have to do? You should add with the cost price percentage. So I'll get 118%. So what is the difference? 30%. See, 30% difference is giving me 2,10,000 rupees extra. And what about 10%? 10% is nothing but 70,000. If 10% is 70,000, the total percentage for the cost price is 100%. 100% will be 7 lakhs. Okay, if I want to sold it at a profit of 22%, see what is 10% of 7 lakhs? 70,000. 20%, 1,40,000. 1,40,000 plus 2%, 14,000. I'll get 1,54,000. So 8,54,000 is my answer. Do you understand this? So option C is my answer. Now, let us see the next question. Two parallel chords of a circle whose diameter is 13 centimeter. See, the diameter of a circle is 13 centimeter. Let us take the circle center point as O. They are respectively 5 centimeter and 12 centimeter in length. So there are two chords. Let us take one chord AB as 5 centimeter. Okay, AB 5 centimeter. And another chord CD. Okay, CD as 12 centimeter chord. Okay, if I draw a straight line, it meets CD chord at E and AB chord at F. Okay, now consider the triangle OFB. If I consider the triangle OFB, OB square is equal to OF square plus FB square. Okay, what is OB square? It is nothing but radius of the circle. It is 6.5 square. OF distance I have to find. Okay, and FB is nothing but the half of the chord value, 2.5 square. Okay, now what is 6.5 square? 42.25 is equal to OF square plus 2.5 square, 625, 6.25. So OF square is equal to 36 and OF is equal to 6 centimeter. And now, if I consider another triangle, OED, OD square is equal to OE square plus ED square. So OD square is nothing but what? Same radius of the circle, 6.5 square, OE square plus ED square. So 42.25 minus 36 is equal to OE square. So 6.25 is equal to OE square and OE will be equal to 2.5. And what is the distance FE? FE is nothing but OF minus OE. So if I subtract both the values, I'll get 3.5 centimeters. So you should know the basics of all concepts thoroughly. See here, they have asked questions based on permutation and combination, and then mensuration, and time based problems, and profit and loss, and also geometry based problems. All the questions are in the medium level, so you need to work hard to score more in the upcoming MAT examination. Okay, so don't forget to join us on April 30, Sunday at 7 p.m. We are going to conduct a free national level webinar. Firebird Institute of Research and Management, which offers the best PGDM and international MBA course in Coimbatore, offers a free national level webinar on MAT 2023 based on last minute preparation strategy. Don't forget to enroll for this webinar. If you want to enroll for this webinar, kindly register through the link provided in the description box. All the best, students. We'll see you on Sunday. Those who are aiming for MAT 2023 with a good score of above 550 plus, don't forget to enroll for the 25 days crash course conducted by Learn to Lead Academy. So enroll now immediately. All the best.